elevator. Standard elevator.
It also notice with the sensor.
Recliner.
It has an notice on the crank as well.
Really? That's notice on the crank?
Yeah.
No picture, nothing.
Oh, okay.
I can't? Okay, never mind. Alright,
Oh,
that's it.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Is that open? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Have a good day, man. Oh, yeah.
Come on.
There it goes.
Can you just not take pictures at night in Chicago? I think sort of in a public building.
Into the call station. He said no pictures, but I'm taking pictures.
Wait, actually, if you're taking pictures, we're taking pictures.
I know. Wait, watch this. The counterweight's going to come up. There it is. Yeah, these are manual.
I wonder if it's stopping.
Next time you send them taking pictures, like, I'll just say, oh, we're just going to go to the elevator.
Look at this.
And then you say, you can't do that, and I'll stop.
Oh, wow. Check that out. Who keeps pressing it?
It's not me.
Oh, okay.
It's from another floor.
Oh, fuck. Where's Dom?
He's outside.
Okay.
Why is
Check this shit out. There goes the counterweight.
sure you have to go?
So, you know, so that guy said no pictures, but
I'm filming.
technically
I don't give a
was
fuck.
not.
Fuck that. I'm filming this shit.
Yeah, you know, I'm doing the same thing down.
Yeah, it's
You
beautiful.
know, I felt it before and I never.
Oh, wow. This is a beautiful place. Guys, there's a rooftop up there.
Okay, but here's the thing. With these kind of elevators, okay, just right now we have
Put the camera.
Alright.
Turn around.
I'm just gonna be it.
Hello. Holy cow. Now these, will they run if one of those outer doors is open? Will this run if one of those outer doors is open? And does the elevator have to be at the floor for that door to open?
I would assume so.
Alright.
Standard.
'Cause this runs without the
standard
gate.
elevator.
It's also noticed because it has like the logo on the crank.
No photos.
Oh, sorry.
Turn that one elevator off. So here.
Oh, harsh. Whoa.
Holy hell, harsh stuff.
You got a nice reef there.
Oh, go ahead.